Comfort has always been one of the top priorities for our customers at Berlin Gardens. When you sit in a piece of Berlin Gardens furniture, you immediately feel relaxed. You can finally take a deep breath after a long day. That feeling has always guided everything we do, from the materials we choose to the way that every curve and line is crafted by hand. But we ask ourselves, how can we take comfort even further? How can we design furniture that doesn't just support your body, but truly fits it? Introducing the Contour Collection. Shaped to follow the natural curve of your back, every curve is purposefully designed to perfectly cradle your back as you sit. The Contour Collection redefines what outdoor comfort can feel like. It's the next evolution of our commitment to comfort, quality, and craftsmanship. This is the new Contour Collection, and this is comfort taken to the next level.